Good morning. We're approaching what I call the event horizon in metals trading. Gold near 5,000 and silver near $100. These are price levels for sure. They're also psychological markers. When a market reaches numbers like these, attention concentrates, opinions polarize, and discipline matters more than conviction. The term event horizon comes from physics. It's the point where you cross into a black hole and can't see what comes out the other side. In markets, the event horizon is the price level everyone sees, talks about, and reacts to. Some think it's going much higher, others think it's the top. What it always does is spark a battle. The battle can be long or short, but it's real. New buyers show up, new sellers show up. Buyers include believers in higher prices and shorts who can't take the pain anymore. Sellers include people who have never seen these prices before and are comfortable locking in gains. There's also a psychological satisfaction in saying, I sold silver at $100 or I sold gold at $5,000. So don't be surprised by choppiness. Don't be surprised by violent moves. Around an event horizon, you'll see every order type imaginable: stops, limits, icebergs, scale up, scale down, spikes, slams. Everything is there. What matters isn't the noise at that level, but what comes out the other side, event horizon. There are a few common outcomes. One, price touches the level and gets rejected hard because sellers overwhelm buyers. Two, price hits the level and pushes through as shorts cover, not because fresh money wants all-time highs, but because shorts have to buy. Three, prices spike through, shorts cover, then heavy selling hits and uses that buying for liquidity. And then four, price rejects first. Big buyers step in the dip, and then the market pushes higher. That could take a long period of time. In the end, it's simple. You reach the strike and you're either above it, below it, or stuck on it. It's an options type of trade. Above it, you're bullish until it fails back below. Below it, after rejection, you're bearish until it reclaims the level. If it churns for days, you may be building a base for the next move. Which way, we really don't know. But if you're churning below the base, if you're churning below the price, you're building for a higher buy. If you're churning above, right above it, you're building for a rejection. Think of it like leaving a casino at the end of the night. You made money, you see the roulette wheel spinning, and you throw $5 on a number. That's fine. What's not fine is forgetting you're gambling. At these levels, you're gambling. That's okay. Just be honest about it. This is amateur hour. Amateurs buy, professionals sell. It doesn't mean professionals are right, but the first test of these levels usually fails. If price blows straight through, that should make you uneasy because then the rule book changes. If it rejects and hovers below for several days, that's actually constructive. Expect more selling pressure in gold than in silver. Gold's market is larger and there's more metal waiting to be sold. Silver has less available supply, though higher prices will draw out scrap. Keep that distinction in mind. If you're taking profits at 5,000, do it because you need the cash or have a better use for it, not because the number looks pretty. If you're buying above 5,000, understand you're speculating, and that's fine. Just know what game you're playing. Have a great day. Good morning. There's the home page. PM recap. Goldman Sachs raised their price target. We're going to talk a little bit more about that in a second. Here's the markets. 10-year yields are down 2. The dollar is up 2. The S&P 500 is up 2.5 to 3. Nasdaq is 25,492, up 12. The VIX is 1574, up 11. Gold is up a dollar. It was up close to 49.75. Right now, trading 49.38. Silver's trading 99.19, up and stable. Gold gave back more of its gains than silver did overnight. Silver's up $3. The spread between China and the US is about $9. It's more than that, but that's just what we're looking at right now. It's open, it's $9. Uh, China silver, Shanghai silver 108, Shanghai gold 50.91. Copper is 586, up 12, 2%. WTI is up up 75 cents, 1.27%. Natural gas 525, up 9 cents, 1.74%. I'll just make a comment about natural gas having lost a lot of money. People talk about silver being the devil's metal. Natural gas is the widowmaker. I can't tell you how many times that I bought natural gas because the cold was coming. And then when the snow fell, I bought it again, only to have the snow be the reversal moment. Just keep that in mind. It really, really gets crazy. Um, where were we? Bitcoin down 245, Ethereum down 16, Palladium up 71, Platinum leading the race again, up 85, gold, silver down a penny and a half, a buck and a half, I should say. Wow. And grains are up. Goldman just raised its gold target to 5,400, warning that, quote, sticky private sector hedges and relentless central bank buying mean this really doesn't end on price alone. Only when policy risk finally breaks. That statement means the buyers are price inelastic. And until policy changes, it's all systems go. Goldman raised its December 2026 gold forecast to 5,400, arguing that sticky private sector macro hedges have joined relentless central bank buying, with supply largely inelastic and demand inelastic. Gold tops only if central bank demand fades, macro risks ease, or the Fed shifts from cut to hikes. Now, that's a zero hedge premium article titled Sticky Hedges, Goldman Upgrades Gold Forecast. These are the markers to watch for at top. And we just went through some of the main points for you. It's actually must read. Uh, I expect Goldman to be a little bit more euphoric. They're being very professional. It's pissing me off. I can't be mad at them. Uh, so that continues in the Zero Hedge post. We will cover it ourselves today, later on. Gold. Goldman issues an upgrade and a warning. Goldman Sachs raises December 2026 gold forecast, yada, yada, yada. That's going to be out that January 23rd. That is today, isn't it? At 2 p.m. Uh, you should read it one way or another. If you're subscribed to Zero Hedge, just click on that link and go over there right away. And if you're a subscriber to GoldFix, hang out. Or subscribe to Zero Hedge too. I'm not a commission salesman. Founders First Look, other news. Founders First Look, the previously mentioned report. Silver lithium switch to revolutionize batteries. No one's really covering that. We should probably do a little bit more on that. Silver and copper deep partnership forms. That's our contention that silver and copper, silver wants to be industrial now. It really wants to be industrial, but the investment demand is coming in and it's pulling it higher overseas. In the US, everyone's liquidating. That's the retail liquidating. I got a call today from a friend about Morgan Dollars, a deep discount to spot. Morgan Dollars, not not regular metal, Morgan Dollars. So I might be stepping in for some of those. Silver Museum emptied in massive overnight heist. Still exclusive for us in the West. Data on deck. I swear PCE was today. Maybe they released it yesterday. I don't know. But I'm losing my mind on this stuff. I think I pretty much have covered everything that needs to be covered in a very brief thing. So over the weekend, we'll have a lot more stuff, as you know. Um, oh, I know what I wanted to do. I know. The plug. Please buy a hat or a coffee mug or whatever it is you like. Interestingly enough, I was thinking about uh, if gold hits 5,000 or silver hits 100, is there an appropriate thing to put out there? Like, what would I want? And you know what I would want? I would want revenge. Remember those Dow 10,000 hats and those Dow 20,000 hats? I would want a gold 5,000 hat or a silver 100 hat. And so we put it into Gemini, which is apparently pretty good for pictures. And it came back with a complete Zoomer millennial picture. Like the hat is like it's like a hip hop hat. I mean, it's cool, but it's not something I'd wear. So we're going to get something more appropriate for our more mature audience. That would be me. I am the more mature person in the audience, allegedly, at least in age. I'm Vince. Have a great day.